Bangladesh has plunged into an unprecedented turmoil. At least 6 people have been arrested and 21 detained so far in the case involving the death of an advocate during clashes following the arrest of Hindu monk Chinmay Krishna Das Brahmachari. Meanwhile, India-based think tank Risks and Rights Analysis Group or RRAG has gone after UNIS government by filing a complaint with United Nations Working Group on what they call the arbitrary detention of Das by Bangladeshi government. Here's more in this report.
The visuals on your screen are of massive protests in Bangladesh that follow the arrest of the Hindu leader Chinmay Krishna Das Brahmachari. He was arrested on Monday on sedition charges and denied bail on Tuesday. Bangladesh's High Court on Wednesday asked the government to inform the court about the stance that it took regarding Hindu religious organization ISKCON, its activities, and what steps it has taken about it. The court also passed the order after hearing a writ petition seeking a ban on ISKCON and issuance of Section 144 in Chattogram and Rangpur to ward off any unwanted incident. The court ordered Attorney General Asaduzzaman to apprise them of the government's stance over the issue by Thursday, reports United News of Bangladesh. The Chittagong police have arrested at least 6 people suspected to be involved in the death of the advocate Saiful Islam during clashes, while police attempted to transport Sanatan Jagran Manch spokesperson Chinmay Prabhu to jail. According to official sources, the police have detained another 21 persons for their alleged involvement in the vandalism and carrying out of attacks on the law enforcement members during the clash on Tuesday in Chittagong court premises. ISKCON Pundrik Dham's Chinmay Krishna Das and Bangladesh Sammalit Sanatan Jagran Jyoth have been advocating on behalf of the Hindu community across Bangladesh, raising 8-point demands for the safety and rights of minorities. Chinmay Prabhu was arrested by the Dhaka police on Monday from Dhaka airport while he reached there to catch a flight for Chittagong. India's ruling Bharatiya Janata Party leaders and workers, led by West Bengal leader of opposition Suvendu Adhikari, held a protest march to the Bangladesh consulate in Kolkata on Wednesday. In New Delhi, Union Minister Giriraj Singh said that attacks on Hindus in Bangladesh reflects that the interim government of that country is in the clutches of fundamentalists and sought the intervention of the United Nations in the matter.
अब समय आ गया है कि अब संयुक्त राष्ट्र संघ को भी इस पर संज्ञान में लेना चाहिए.
India's Ministry of External Affairs on Tuesday expressed deep concern over Chinmay Krishna Das's arrest and denial of bail. New Delhi said that it's unfortunate that perpetrators of these incidents remain at large, while a religious leader is pressed with charges. Amid widespread violence and social unrest, the Rights and Risks Analysis Group on Wednesday filed a complaint with the UN Working Group against illegal and arbitrary detention of Chinmay Krishna Das Brahmachari. The harassment of media personnel is also on the rise in Bangladesh. The Newspaper Owners Association of Bangladesh has expressed its serious concern over frequent attacks on the freedom of the media in the country. Committee to Protect Journalists, a US-based global media rights body, also called for a swift investigation into the threats of violence against leading dailies of Bangladesh, the Daily Star and Protham Alo, which were threatened in recent days. With Naval Singh Parmar in Dhaka, Bureau Report, DD India.